Welcome to Spoken Reviews. Some of the Spoken Reviews. Today, guys, we're going to do a quick MPG test on the Ram 1500 with 37-inch tires. We have about a 2-hour drive back to Fort Worth. Just filled up, so we're topped up on gas. And we'll just check in a couple times and we'll do the gas at the end. Alright, guys, quick check in on the trip. Just really getting started. Only 11 miles into the trip, but we're actually averaging 14.2 MPG, according to the trip computer, which is pretty good. Yeah, we'll definitely just keep checking in and seeing how it goes. This first stretch is I-45. Speed limit is 75. I'm actually going closer to 79 because I do have the larger tires. And I never got my computer reset, so it's saying 75, but it's really like 79, 80 miles per hour. So yeah, so far so good. We'll definitely keep you guys posted as we continue the trip. All right, guys, doing a quick check-in. Right now we've traveled 82 miles. It says we're at 15.3 miles per gallon. And it says we've been doing 69 miles per hour. But again, since the speedometer was never updated, it's actually 5 miles more, so 69 is up. So I'm really pretty much averaging 74 miles per hour. But yeah, so pretty happy with the gas so far, and we'll definitely check in once we get there. We still got about a little bit less than an hour to go. The total drive, I think it's somewhere a little bit less than 130 miles. So we're getting pretty close, but yeah, so far so good. Yeah, looking real good. Drive's been pretty clear. It's a Sunday, so no real traffic. I just went and took 45 north all the way up to 20, and I'm taking 20 west, so a little bit different than the way I came, just because I knew that I can get at a better steady speed as opposed to having to slow down if I take 287. So yeah. Thanks. All right, just getting to the 100-mile part of the trip. Still averaging 15.2 according to the computer. But again, we'll have to manually calculate this because with the larger tires and me not actually reprogramming the computer, definitely it's going to be some differences. Basically, I believe the truck comes standard with like 32-inch tires, something like that. So we've gone to 37s. So basically, the truck is counting what it thinks are the rotations of the tires, but with bigger tires, I believe I'm covering more ground. If I get that right, I'm covering more ground than the actual computer is calculating. So yeah, we'll definitely see how it goes. If we're actually, whenever we do the manual calculation, if we're actually higher than 15 miles per gallon or if we're lower. So definitely curious to see this, how it plays out. All right, guys, just pulled into the gas station. One thing to point out is that so the computer is saying that we went 121.6 miles. Just look at the GPS, we actually went something like 128 miles. So that's what we're going to use for the calculation. So a little bit difference, and again, about that 7 miles difference is because I did not get the computer reset whenever I did the lift, and I did the bigger tires. So again, we traveled 128 miles, but the computer thinks 121, and the computer is putting us right at 15.4 miles and an hour and 50 minutes, which is accurate. Because I reset the computer at the gas station before we left, and the average speed is at 66. In reality, we were averaging probably 72, 73. We did have to slow down whenever we got the last 30 miles within the DFW area. But on the highway coming up 45, we were probably averaging 80 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and fill it up, and we'll see what the calculation is. All right, guys, just filled up. And we were sitting at 8.359 gallons of gas to fill up the Ram. And I already did the calculation inside, so the actual MPG is 15.13. So again, 15.13 whenever you calculate it out. Here's the receipt. Versus the computer had us at like 15.4. So pretty close on the computer. And you know, still really good for the truck, right? So it's lifted, 6.5-inch lift, 22-inch rims, 37-inch tires, and being able to get 15.3 MPG. So still really good on a nice trip. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Bye.